What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing and review of a Matein backpack that Matein sent over, and let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh god, oh my god.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Okay guys, today I'll be going to a guy named Olympian Live. Currently has 265 subscribers, and he has a Twitch, Twitter, and Instagram. And as you can see here, he uploads some gaming content. Seems like Fortnite, Minecraft mainly. So now let's hop into the video. Okay, so Matein sent over a couple of their backpacks. I'm not really sure which one this is. Let me just make this from. Okay, I'm not really sure which one this is, but let's just hop right into it.
Let's see what we got here. The others came in big ones.
Amazon boxes. This one just came in standard bag. Okay, so you can see right there, Matein logo. And yeah, I don't just unfold it. Oh, yep, the straps like looped around in here. Just unloop those. Okay, so this is a backpack. This is not the duffel bag. This is just the standard backpack, which is pretty nice. Okay, so now, yeah, that was basically the unboxing. Pretty standard. Right off the bat, this feels great. But I'm gonna cut and do an actual full comprehensive review. So let's get into that.
Promise that you'll never be lonely. In these fast times, chasing lifelines for a lifetime. I've had my heart in the right place at the wrong time with the right girl in another world. Maybe we would be together still if you hate us and resent that. I don't give a shit, I'll let it spill. I don't give a damn, I'll keep it real. Cause by now I hope you know the drill. I would never lie, young forever, I ain't ever gonna die. Told me grow up and I went and showed them why I could make it. I showed them the power in youth, power in truth. The younger you stay, the closer you are to your roots. That's the reason I know I can teach you how to hit the skies, rise above them without getting high. But if it help a bit, take a little hit, take a little sip, put your mind at ease. Swear you got the keys, you can have your dreams. That's up to you, not what others believe. Jeez, I swear that's the part that took longest for me. Cause when I drop into a beat, I detach from the world, view it under my feet. Orbit around my dreams, and there I perceive my reality and what it means. Music is where I can breathe, the world in between. What I am, what I was, what I will be. It's the only place.
Okay, so now that we got the unboxing done, let's get into the actual backpack, explore the compartments, explore what this backpack actually features in terms of kind of like bonuses or extra accessories that not the traditional backpack may have, because Matein usually does it different. They usually add some really cool stuff. This is a tech travel backpack. It's listed on their website for around $42, I believe. And it comes with a USB charger right here. If you guys just want to take a look at that. So you can charge your phone, you plug in a power bank in here, and it works really well if you need to charge your devices such as laptop, phone, tablet, anything like that. So now let's get into the actual backpack itself. Okay, so on the front we have the Matein logo, and we have a big zipper pouch right here. Let's open this up. Huge compartment right here, guys. Luckily I have good lighting, so it won't be too hard for you guys to see the inside, because that can be dark sometimes when reviewing a backpack. I've reviewed several backpacks in the past, so I know what to expect, and I have kind of like a baseline standard. So we got two pockets right here. This can be, you could sort of fit like a glasses case in here, maybe like a calculator, small calculator, stuff like that. We have a zipper pouch right here, which for my backpack I use to store. Don't fall over. Ah. I guess I'm just gonna lay it down from now on. So I use this to usually store cables and stuff in this little pouch right here. It works really well. And then we also have a bigger pouch right here. For my backpack, since I have a Matein backpack, it's got a similar setup. I usually put my calculator in here. This thing right here, you can pull this down, and it also detaches right here. You can reattach it. You guys can see that. This is great for putting your car keys and stuff on this. Just hook it around it, and you'll never usually lose your keys. And we have a decently sized Just space right here. You can honestly fit a small tablet or something in here. So yeah, let's move into the main compartment. Okay guys, so moving into the main compartment, we got absolute tons of space here. Let me just turn on my flash so you guys can see how deep this goes. This main compartment is absolutely enormous. This is the biggest compartment I've seen on the backpack that are reviewed thus far. Let me just turn that off real quick so it doesn't get annoying. So here it comes with a USB cable. This is connected to this, so if you want to plug in your power bank, I usually store my power bank in one of these slots right here. It's a really good fit for it, really good spot for it. So you just plug this into your power bank, and then whenever you want to charge your phone, you just plug in your USB cable into the outside of the bag, or if one of your friends wants to charge their device, you can just have them plug it into your backpack. So really useful stuff here. Matein is always good when it comes to attention to detail, and we also have another huge compartment right here. I don't think I use this compartment on my backpack personally. I don't even know if mine comes with a big compartment like this, but in addition, let me flip this over just so you guys can see. We have a pouch right here, kind of like a kangaroo pouch. You can honestly fit a really small laptop, maybe like a 13-incher in here. Decently sized tablet. You could probably fit an iPad in here easily. So yeah, that's the main compartment. Now let's move on to the laptop. Okay, so we got the laptop section here. Let me just, okay, sorry about that, my phone fell over. So here we got the laptop section. Usually laptop sections go in the back of the backpack behind the main compartment. So let's just open this up. Where's the zipper? Okay, so I think we're dealing with a huge laptop section. Not many laptop sections does the zipper go down all this way, so that is actually a good thing in this case. So that means you're going to have more storage for your laptop, which I am a huge fan of because I own a big laptop. I'm sure a lot of you guys own big laptops out there, and you want a big laptop compartment, something that can fit over an inch thick laptop as well as over a 15.6 inch laptop. They make a lot of 17-inch laptops these days, so it's kind of hard to find a backpack that can fit those. So hopefully this one is good. I'll probably show you if mine fits. I'll let you guys know about that. Okay, so here we have the main laptop section. This is honestly probably the best feature of this laptop. This is awesome. Not many backpacks feature a laptop section this big. You could fit honestly 2 laptops in here, put one in here, and then the other one in this compartment right here. So standard Velcro, and we got another kangaroo pouch right here, and another one. Oh, sorry, that's the laptop. And we got the standard Velcro to keep your laptop nice and secure in here. Really good material. This is high quality. Matein is always really good when it comes to quality backpacks, guys. Highly recommend this company. So yeah, guys, you're not gonna suffer at all when it comes to this. Let me just cut and see if I can fit my laptop in here because I own a pretty big laptop. Okay guys, so I got my laptop right here, and we're just going to be putting it in. Got my Life Made Easy logo right there. Subscribe if you're new. I'll just fit this in right here, and guys, this is an absolute breeze. I own a 15.6-inch gaming laptop that's an inch thick, so this is pretty big, and I've used backpacks in the past that have specifically by Mancro that have not been able to fit my laptop, so I'm really excited that this laptop can honestly fit my, backpack can fit my laptop this easily. Huge plus, shout out to Matein, guys. This company is awesome. So look at that, fits perfectly. Now you're rocking your tablet, your laptop, your glasses, sunglasses, calculator, your books, all your necessities that you need to travel, all in one package, guys. This is awesome. Okay, so let me just show you the other features. You got where's it? A clip. Where's the other side? Clip right here that you can use. I believe this is used to like keep the water bottle in place. Right here we have 2 water bottle compartments. One right here, and then the other on the other side. So, and then this has a clip as well. So that's nice, and you can adjust it accordingly depending on your water bottle size. Coming around to the back, guys, we have a luggage strap. This is great for travel, guys. If you have like a luggage strap, you can just slide it right on in there. It'll slide on your suitcase. Makes it really easy traveling with a backpack like this. You got some great mesh right here, very soft, very kind of squishy, so you're not going to be feeling any roughness on your back. As well as here, nice mesh material. You're not going to feel anything uncomfortable when it comes to this. Also has adjustable straps, as most backpacks do. Very easy to adjust, as shown right here. Same on the other one. It's got another pouch on the bottom. My backpack actually comes with this. This is a great useful feature if you're looking to like put some like private stuff in here that no one can steal while it's on your bag, because this part would be on your back and no one can touch this compartment. And plus, this gives you a huge amount of storage right here, because you can possibly see that you get a ton of storage in here if you need it. So I think that's it for main compartments, guys. The only other thing I noticed about this backpack was the handle up top. This handle is rubber. Most Matein backpacks come with a kind of a mesh handle on top, but this one's rubber, so this is more rugged. I'm guessing they did this just because they want to advertise this more as travel, and I don't know, this is easier to grip. This is more similar to kind of like a luggage handle, I guess, in a way. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave links down below to Matein's website where you can guys go pick this backpack up. Highly recommend this company, guys, and thank you for Matein for sending me out these backpacks. I will have a review of the other bags they sent me in the next upcoming video. So guys, with that all being said, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications for that free shout out. Go check out my other product review videos. I hope you really enjoyed this. If you did, leave a like on the video. Do all that good stuff, guys. Go follow me on my social media. Go check out Matein linked below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.